Thank you very much, Casey. Again, my name is Robert Hickman. I'm going to be the presenter for the webinar today. A little bit about myself. A mechanical and polymer engineering degrees from University of Akron. I've been in the business for a little over 30 years, and during that time served a lot of different roles within the plastics industry. Currently, I'm the president and CEO of Shadow Polymer, located or headquartered rather in Houston, and we specialize in engineering and simulation support services for the plastics community. Now, interesting thing about our company is that all of our staff has at least 25 years worth of experience, and some greater than 45 years worth. So definitely a wealth of information and knowledge. So today we have a lot of information to talk about. It's going to be a really good webinar, a lot of good information. The outline kind of is generally as follows. We're going to talk about the application for part designers, which specifically talks about gating design analysis, specifically for flow balancing. Also going to talk about mold designers, such as hot runner systems design, and also the processing engineers out there with regards to the molding interface or the machine interface. So we're going to show you some of the technology that's available within Moldex to allow that to take place and save time. All right, so let's go ahead and get started here by first talking for those of us who are part designers. We're going to talk about the gating design analysis, specifically with regards to flow balancing. And the objective with this, obviously, is to figure out the best gating design with with a given part geometry. And again, that has a multifaceted problem, generally speaking, with fit and function, as well as manufacturing, giving you limitations on cycle time or auxiliary equipment, things of that nature. But we ultimately have to work to balance that gate flow in order to make sure that the part fills, or that the plastic enters and finishes filling the cavities at virtually the same time. The methodology that we typically use, as you all know, is again running the filling analysis by adding the gates onto the part. Then you take a look at the results, you revise those gates, whether by position or position or size, and then you review also part thickness and revise as necessary if that is an option available to you.